I'm gonna give it to nature.
Nice. Amazing spot on our trail up to the waterfalls at Alouette Lake. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Loke. Come on, Brody. We got more to see. Come on. That behind that cloud there is another mountain. We are so lucky to be here. Right? Beautiful place to hike.
No, it's not beautiful. It's super beautiful.
Yeah, it
Move the Canada, BC.
is. Or just come visit Golden Ears.
We just come visit Golden Ears.
Okay, now pause it for a moment and show you another beautiful spot. On our way, there's Grandma and Ruku. Brody's just behind somewhere. And Loki doing his ninja tricks. We're almost at the spot. Here's the trail we get to go down. And we're coming up to the spot real close.
And I am still not scratching the earth for one little bit.
Look at that view. Here we are almost, I think this is 1.5. And this here is beautiful.
Beautiful.
But we're going to go a little further and show you how beautiful it gets.
Hey, Mom,
Yeah.
I got ideas for you and us. So, I got an idea for you guys. And you can bring your art stuff out here and start painting.
Oh, yes, we should do that one day.
Like, maybe, do that and bring some drinks and then bring it.
Yes, we've brought a
paint the
lunch.
waterfall.
Yeah.
Add stuff on your painting, I don't know.
One time we brought lunch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then we came here.
Yeah.
And pretty fun.
Yeah. And here we're almost there. Are we walking this way? There's two trails, so you can go this way, but you can also go along the water. Here, you just gotta be careful.
Not on the water.
Not on the water, but by the water. Here we go. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh. So little tiny trail that we like to take. You just have to be careful because, yeah, the edges keep falling away. Are you hiding from Grandma? Look at this view. My mom is over there somewhere. But I wanted to show you this. How amazing is it? Oh, there's my mom. So I'll go this way so that Brody won't want to come. And I will stop over here. There, look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. There's Fenris enjoying himself. when the cloud's not here, you can actually see that other mountain. But today there's the cloud there. So there's Grandma heading. The dogs. Didn't even wait for Loki. If you would like more of our beautiful, amazing walks,
Trickster videos.
then what?
Trickster videos.
Subscribe
Subscribe, like, and share.
and share, and we will do way more videos. Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Beep.
Say bye, Grandma.
Bye. Beep, 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 beep.